Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today I'm in my work parking lot, which I generally don't drive this truck because it's noticeably shittier than all the others and it takes a lot of gas. But I drove it today because I'm doing a timing belt on my Subaru, and when I came in up the street here, my tire was squealing. I'm like, man, is that caliper sticking or what? And I really struggled to get it in the spot here, and when I got out and looked at it, I saw this. So that's what I'm gonna call suboptimal. Yeah, like I said, today I guess I'll be the parking lot engineer and Napa the hub. Not generally a Napa know-how kind of guy, but the hub is right down the street, and they delivered for free to me a new, probably slightly substandard inner tie rod. So I guess we'll just change this bad boy here in the parking lot and be on our way. This is the life we chose here. I should have actually took this from a former colleague that got fired, this little yard sale bag, but it's going to come in handy today. I'll bring you guys back. Should be a simple repair. So I got it off. I think this is a failure of JR. I must have either forgotten to put the cotter key in, or forgotten to bend it, or bent it insufficiently, because those threads look okay. This is a Moog problem solver, by the way, for those of you who watched before when I used all the cheapest stuff from Rock Auto Closeout, which is like TRW and Moog and other brands, and works just fine. Well, that's not a failure of Moog or anything else. It's a failure of me. So I guess I'll get the new one on, which I've cleverly already lost the cotter key to. So that should go great. And I'm going to go home for the weekend. I'll be bringing you guys right back as soon as I can. Alright, you guys are my witness. Cotter key's definitely in there now. I'm going to tighten up this adjuster and we'll get out of here. Gave her the old 1/8 inch toe in, and I'm going to go home and drink some PBR. I'll bring you guys right back. We'll see how it goes. You know what? Love does hurt. But I still love my truck. And we're still good to go home. Look at that! Woo! Oh yeah. What a great day. There's joy and triumphing over a defeat, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna go home, drink my beers, torment my nephew, maybe work on a LS. I'm still not done with my house, but I'm almost done with my portion of the house, so the rest will be for Mrs. Engineer to finish up. I thank you guys for watching. I hope this at least entertained you somewhat. See, I'm not equipped for driveway stuff today, but whatever. We got her done. See you next time on the Driveway Engineer.